Well, hello folks. Today's topic of discussion is going to be the dual channel dash cam that I just installed. We're going to go over all the features that it comes with this amazing dash cam, and I'm going to show you how I wired it without tapping any fuses, which was a key for me because I didn't want to fry anything in this warranty covered M3. So we went with the Thinkware F200 dual channel. I wanted the front and rear for, you know, increased protection. I'm going to show you guys now like how I installed it and wired it, because with any dash cam, let's be honest, they're all pretty solid unless you go like super cheap out on one. But the most important thing for me was the wireability, and just to make sure that it was probably going to, you know, work when I wanted it to and when it needed to. So I opted to just put it kind of right behind the mirror. I didn't want it to be visible a lot, and it's kind of off to the side. It gets great view of the front anyways. I just couldn't put it in front of the high beam assist sensor. That's why I couldn't put it right dead center where you usually want your dash cam. But then that would mean covering up my sensor, which would have been pointless. First thing was to get power, and what's amazing about this is that you just need one power port because the rear dash cam links up straight to the front dash cam, so you don't need two power sources. And I wanted to use like the cigarette adapter port to get the power. I didn't want to tap into any fuses, so I just wired it kind of through the sides and down past the glove box, and it's done in a professional, seamless way. You can't even tell that it's wired. I mean, it's just pristine carpentry. Wiring the power was actually the simple part. The kind of challenging issue was wiring the second cam and link it with this one. Brought it along the top, down to the side and past the airbags, and you can see the wire stick a little where the airbag is. You just can't tuck it in there because of the airbag. So, but it doesn't look like it's out of place unless it's pointed out. So that's why I didn't really have that big of an issue with it. And then it just wires straight up into the trunk. From outside view, you can't really tell. The back one obviously is really good, but the front, you know, you can obviously see a little bit of the sticker, but I mean, that's gonna happen when you can't like fully conceal it in there, you know what I mean? The one annoying thing about it is the fact that it keeps triggering the laser alert on my Uniden R3 radar detector. So I disabled the laser because it doesn't even really matter anyways. It's not really, radar isn't protecting against laser detection, so I didn't really care for it. The main thing with these dash cams is that I think everybody should have it in even like regular cars, your SUV, whatever daily thing. It's obviously great for safety. That's the main reason anybody should have a dash cam anyways. It shouldn't be for doing stupid stuff on the road and recording it, you know. The install is pretty straightforward. As you saw, I didn't have to tap any fuses, and the cigarette lighter was concealed. With the essentials kind of out of the way, you know, the dash cam and the radar, we can get started with like the small things I was gonna do. We're gonna start with like door lights and some carbon parts like the rear diffuser and whatnot. So you guys should stay tuned for those videos to come. There'll definitely be other tutorial videos as well that are more on the general content style, kind of like interior cleaning and stuff, because I got white leather. Some people have asking me how I plan on keeping it clean and protected. We'll put a video out on that. You should sub so you don't miss any of those fire videos, and like this video if you enjoyed my perspective on these dash cams. Peace.